Hi everyone, this is Srinath from Mac Machine Tools and Automation. I'm the Vice President for Mac Machine Tools and Automation and EuroGulf in Middle East. I'm very excited to just talk a little bit about my journey with Lincode. Lincode has been a company which is 3 years now completing, but essentially we've been working with them for the last 6 months. And one of the things that I've observed with them, they have a very fabulous team, first of all, to be able to create some wonderful solutions in the space of artificial intelligence, and we've been working with their technology for bringing that into manufacturing. One of the key elements of their technology is that they have been able to, I call it as democratize the availability of artificial intelligence across various applications. And that's been one of the biggest challenges that manufacturing has been going through in terms of adopting technologies in large scale. So that's essentially what it is. I really wish them very best for their 3-year completion and many more years of successful journey in the market and along with us. Thank you very much.